Namaste, welcome to Do It Yoga and also welcome to my session. I am Pradeep here itself and start today's yogic practice based on weight loss session. So please take a mat and join me and start. Take Chin Mudra on your knee. In Chin Mudra, touch your first finger and your thumb and place your palms on your knee. Look front, gently close your eyes. Keep a smile, observe your breathe, deep and slow breathe in, more and more slow and complete breathe out. In this way, take some couple of breath, deep and slow breathe in, more and more slow and complete breathe out. One more breathe in. Slowly and completely breathe out. Join your palms in front of your chest in Namaskara Mudra. Deep breathe in and start 3 Omkara Pradodhvani. Deep breathe in. Inhale. Deep breathe in. Keep close your eyes. Feel this calm. Feel this positive environment. Throw out all the thoughts from your mind and say thanks to God for this beautiful day. Slowly rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Massage your facial, massage your forehead. Slowly bring your palms down, chin to the collarbone, and gently open your eyes, look at your palms. Namaste. Please stand up and now start yogic warm-up. On your mat only, feet closer, palms beside your thigh, and now start yogic jogging. On your toes, one by one leg up and down, heel up and down, like this. Hold your toes at a point and stretch your heels up and down again and again. Place your palms on your waist and go fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I start next one. In next variation, toes up and down, like this. Okay, go fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so in next variation, this time thighs up and down. Take your hands front and with jumping, touch your thigh to your palm. Touch your thigh to your palm again and again with jumping. Go fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now release and relax. Take some couple of breath, relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now ready for next. Separate feet hip distance apart. Bend your knee and hip down. Inhale in center and exhale, bend your knee, hip down. Inhale up, then exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Make sure your knee should be behind your toe. Inhale up, exhale down. 5 more. 1, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, 2, exhale down. 3, keep continue. 4, 5, complete. Okay, now start a knees rotation. Bend your knee forward, place your palms on your thighs, hold your thigh completely, grab your thigh, and now start knee rotation clockwise. Breathe should be normal. Rotate your knee completely clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and start anti-clockwise. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now complete. Okay, so next one is start Triyak Tadasana. In Triyak Tadasana, separate feet hip distance apart. Inhale, reach your arms up and join your palms in Namaskara. Interlace your fingers, palm facing up. Stretch your arms up more and more. Take deep breath in and breathe out completely. Now breathe in and while exhaling, bend right side. Go more and more down right side. Inhale, move in center and exhale, bend left side. Inhale, move in center, exhale, bend right. Inhale, move in center, exhale, bend left side. On counting with breathing, keep continue. Inhale in center, 1, down right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now inhale, move in center, exhale, release your hand and relax. Take some couple of breathe, relax. 3, 2, 1. Here only. Inhale, right hand up, arms closer to your ear, stretch your palms up more and more. Then exhale, bend left side. Inhale, move in center, then exhale, right hand down. Inhale, left hand up, then exhale, bend right side. Inhale, move in center, exhale, bend left side. Inhale, move in center, exhale, bend right side. On counting, keep continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete. Release and relax. Take deep breath in, breathe out, relax. One more breathe in, breathe out, relax. Okay, this time separate your feet more and more wider as far as possible. Here, hold your toes tightly on the mat, knees straight. Now start Konasana. Inhale and exhale, lean forward, spine should be straight. With your left palm, try to touch your right toe and right hand up. Look up. Inhale, move in center, exhale, bend left side. This time left palm up and with your right palm, try to touch your left toe. Inhale, move in center and exhale, bend another side. Inhale, move in center, exhale, down. Inhale, move in center, exhale, down, right side. Inhale, move in center, exhale, bend left side. On counting with breathing, keep continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete. Release and relax. In next variation, inhale and exhale, bend forward and start both sides fast and fast. Breathe should be normal. Don't focus on your breathe. This time your breathe should be normal. Bend forward, spine straight, and start fast variation. 1, on counting, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Complete, release and relax. And don't forget, you are doing weight loss session. This time, feet closer, palms beside your thigh. Inhale in step 1, leg shredder. Raise your hands up in Namaskara Mudra. Join your palms. Then exhale, hands down and feet closer. Step 1, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, now go fast. Keep fast. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, on counting, keep continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Complete, release and relax. Take some couple of breathe, relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I start Hastottanasana and Padhastasana flow. So go for it. Place your palms on your thighs. Inhale, reach your arms up, little arch back. Then exhale, lean forward, try to touch your toes. Spine straight. Again, inhale, reach your arms up, little arch back. Then exhale, lean forward, try to touch your toes. Again and again, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete. Last round. Inhale, little arch back, exhale down, grab your toes, spine straight. Inhale and exhale, try to touch your forehead to the knee. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, reach your arms up. Then exhale, release your hand and relax. So, warm up portion is completed. Now ready for cardio. So, start cardio with the help of sun salutation. Okay, come to the front of your mat. Feet closer. Place your palms on your thighs. Okay, ready. Take deep breath in and complete breathe out. Now inhale very slowly. While breathing, reach your arms up, little arch back, Hastottanasana. Then exhale, lean forward. Try to touch your toes. Spine straight. Bend your knee forward. Place your palms beside your feet. Inhale and exhale, jump back in plank pose. In plank pose, your whole body should be in a line. Keep breathing, look front and hold. And don't forget, you are doing weight loss challenge session. Hold in plank pose for 10 seconds. Count yourself and hold for 10 seconds. Okay, now next, in next variation, bend your elbow here and hold your whole body weight on your palms, on your toes. This is Chaturanga Dandasana. Now inhale, sternum up, chin up, come in Cobra pose. In Cobra pose, tuck your toe in, knee off the floor, sternum up, chin up, shoulder down, raise your chest forward. Now push your shoulder down, raise your hip up towards the sky, towards the ceiling. Take one step forward and try to touch your heels on the mat. Knees straight, look between your knee. Push your shoulder down more and more. Lengthen spine, engage your core and hold for 10 count. Count yourself. After that, start next flow, Padhastasana flow. For Padhastasana flow, bend your knee, inhale and exhale, jump forward between your palms. Here, knees straight and touch your toes here. Inhale, reach your arms up, little arch back. Then again, exhale, lean forward, try to touch your toes. Bend your knee, place your palm beside your feet. Inhale and exhale, jump back in plank pose. Whole body should be in line in plank pose. Again, inhale and exhale. You can hold here for 10 count, 10 to 20 counts. Again, inhale and exhale down in Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, come in Cobra pose. Then exhale, come in mountain pose. Engage your core in mountain and hold. Take some couple of breathe and hold here. Bend your knee forward. Inhale and exhale. Jump forward. In Padhastasana, knees straight. Touch your feet. Inhale, reach your arms up. Then exhale, release and relax. So, for the purpose of weight loss, same flow 20 times. Keep continue more than 20 times. Before same flow of this Salutation. I designed this flow for the purpose of weight loss. Believe me, it's a very effective, very useful. So go with same, and after that start asanas practice. In base pose, stretch your toes towards your knee, place your palms on your knee, elbow should be straight, and ready for Nauka Asana. For Nauka Asana, go down, shoulder down more and more, stretch your toes outside, hands up, both leg up on 30 degree. Keep breathing and hold. Feel the vibration on your abdomen region. Keep breathing and hold. Hold for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your hands down and lie down on your back. Palm beside your thighs, palm facing downward. Inhale, lift up your both leg up on 90 degree, toes towards your knee. Keep breathing and hold. 1, engage your core, keep breathing, count your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5 and 10. Exhale very slowly and leg down, release and relax. Take some couple of breath, shake your legs and relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And remember, you are doing weight loss session. Inhale, both leg up on 30 degree only and hold there. 1, 2, 3, stretch your toes outside. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly exhale, leg down, release and relax. Shake your legs, take some couple of breathe and relax. More and more, breathe in, breathe out, relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, in next variation, lift up your both leg up on 30 degree. Then inhale, both leg up on 50 or more than 50 degree. Then exhale down on 30 degree or less than 30 degree. Again and again, inhale, both leg up, then exhale, leg down, like this. Both leg up on 30 degree, inhale, lift up more than 50 or 90 degree. Here, then exhale down, less than 90. Don't drop your knees down, don't drop your heels on mat. Inhale from here, leg up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. So keep continue 20 times, same flow. Count yourself and go for this. After the practice of leg movement, start another flow. In this flow, this time both leg up on 30 degree, and this time move your leg, alternate legs. One by one, leg up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With same flow, keep continue for 20 counts. Count yourself and go for it. After completion of that flow, start leg rotation or cycling. In cycling, bend your both knee, push your knee towards your chest, palms beside your body, palm facing downward on your mat only. And now start cycling. Exhale, move your legs forward. Inhale, move your knees towards your chest. Keep continue on counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go for 2 more rounds. Count yourself. After this practice, start cycling with 1 by 1 leg up. With alternate legs, start cycling like this. 1, breathe should be normal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Complete. Release and relax. Shake your legs. Relax. Take some couple of breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now next asana is Pawan Mukta Asana. In Pawan Mukta Asana, bend your both knee. Grab your knee. Push your knee towards your chest. Then inhale. Shoulder up and try to touch your nose to the knee. Hold your breathe. Push your knee towards the sky or towards the ceiling, and with your palms push your knees towards your chest. Hold your breathe and hold this pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release, leg straight. Separate feet hip distance apart, palms apart, palm facing roof. Gently close your eyes. Observe your breathe. Release your whole body and relax completely in Savasana for a minute. With your closed eyes, scan your whole body, toes to head, and relax each and every part of your body, especially your thighs, your chest, and your shoulders. Observe your breathe. Relax more and more. Take deep breath in and complete breathe out. Take your feet closer and your palms behind your head. Join your palms, interlace your finger. Stretch your palms backside and toes forward. Inhale, stretch your whole body more and more. Then exhale, release and relax. Turn right side with support of your left hand. Please sit back in cross leg pose. Keep close your eyes. Sit in Padmasana, Sukhasana, in Vajrasana, in any comfortable pose. Being sit in cross leg pose, take Chin Mudra on your knee. Keep close your eyes. Keep a smile. Observe your breathe. Take some couple of breath. Relax more and more. Mentally prepare yourself for Kapalabhati Pranayama. Kapalabhati Pranayama is very useful, very beneficial for the purpose of weight loss. With the regular practice of this pranayam, you can reduce more than 10 kg within 3 months. In Kapalabhati Pranayam, inhale and exhale completely. Then again and again, exhale through your nose and push your abdomen in. Like this. You can place your palm, right palm only, under your navel and keep continue Kapalbhati pranayam. One stroke in 1 second. Continue this practice for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, release and relax. Take chin mudra on your knee. Deep breathe in and complete breathe out. Take Namaskar mudra in front of your chest. Deep breathe in and start 3 Omkara Pradodhvani. Deep inhale. Sarvam Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Bring your palms down and gently open your eyes. Look at your palms. Start your day with a lot of blessings and happiness. Enjoy your day. All the very best. Thank you. Hey everyone, it's a request to all of you. Please like this video and give some comments and share this video, and please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get next videos notification, and wish you all the very best and happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you, and I hope you all are enjoying my session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.